Hi guys. Today I am going to go over with you our notes on the preterite of irregular verbs. So basically the U and UV stem changers. So you should have downloaded it and printed it, or if not, you can copy it. And if you didn't print it, just copy it down on a piece of paper and put it in your notebooks. You can just pause this as much as you need to fill them in or whatever you need to do. So, let me see here. Let me put up my pen here. All right. We've done the preterite. Remember your asteo, amos, astes, aron are your AR verb endings, and IR verb endings are iste, io, imos, istes, yeron, correct? Okay. All of these verbs in the irregulars that we're going to be doing over the next couple of weeks are going to be basically using your IR verb endings. They're all going to use the same ones. So that's going to be pretty easy to do. Okay, so let's go over this. So let's go over the UV ones first. So this is tener, estar, and andar. There are a couple more, but these are the basic ones. The preterite forms of tener and estar are very similar. They have a stem change, okay? They have a stem change in all 6 forms. It changes to UV in the stem. Again, there are no accents, just like there weren't in ver, in hacer, in dar, in ser, and ir, in our Spock verbs. Okay, remember those? There aren't going to be any in these either. So for tener, you have tuve, and these are going to follow the same pattern. You're going to see that. Tuve, right, is yo. Tuviste, tuvo, tuvimos, tuvisteis, and tuvieron. Okay? And you're going to see estar kind of follows the same pattern. Yo estuve. Do you see that? Estuviste. Estuvo. You're basically just putting an es in front of the tener verbs. Estuvimos. Estuvisteis. And estuvieron. Do you see that? Easy, right? Same pattern. Okay. So the next one is going to be the verb andar, which means to walk. And it's yo anduve, right? Anduviste. And you can see they all use the same endings. Anduvo. Okay. Anduvimos. Anduvisteis. And anduvieron. Okay. Again, these verbs are called UV stem changers. Why? Because there's a UV here. You see that in all of them, right? Okay. So just for a second, I want you to fill in the blanks with these. Okay. So fill in the blanks. I'm going to pause the video so you have a chance to fill in the blank. Okay. So for Juan y yo, you should have had anduvimos. For Laura, estuvo. For yo, tuve. For ellos, you should have had anduvieron. For Jose y yo, you should have had tuvimos. And from Laura y tú, estuvisteis. See? How'd y'all do? Good? Probably. Okay. So on the next page, turn to the next page. These are U stem changers. Okay? So you have haber, poder, poner, and saber. They're all very similar. They have a stem change again, just like the other ones. In all 6 forms, it is a U. Again, there are no accents. Okay? So I put the stem changes over here, what the stems are going to look like for these, okay? So, and then of course it's the same ending. So P-U-D-E, pude, pudiste, pudo. Let me fix that there. That's going to annoy me. Pudimos, pudisteis, pudieron. See? And for poner, to put or to place, like poner la mesa, to set the table, it's yo puse, pusiste, puso, pusimos, pusisteis. Remember, the difference between the tú and the usted is only is. You just add an is, right? Remember that? Ellos, ellas pusieron. See? And of course, the last ones we have is saber. So, yo supe, supiste, supo, supimos, supisteis, okay, and supieron. Okay? All right, I'm going to pause this really quick so you can take some time to do the 4. All right, so here you should have Juan y María, right? You have poder, and it should have pudieron. Yo puse, tú supiste, and this one's poner, I think, right? Nosotros pusimos la mesa. See? So that's it on the notes. Basically, it's you guys practicing these. So that's what we're going to be doing over the next few days. If you guys have any questions at all, let me know, all right? And we'll be doing a meet soon. So I will talk to you guys later. All right, love y'all, bye.